Hi, it's Callie here. So I completed this look using as many Charlotte Tilbury products as I could, so please continue watching. I start by applying Charlotte Tilbury's serum. I next go in with Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. And lastly, I apply the Rescue Eye Cream as part of my skincare routine. Next, I go in with the Hollywood Flawless filter in the shade 4.5 medium, which is a new shade. Next, I go in using the Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the shade 7.5 Warm, and I apply this using my beauty blender. Next, I go in using my Tarte concealer in the shade Medium. Apply this to the areas I want to highlight and conceal. I set my under eyes and the other areas that I've highlighted with my concealer with the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in the shade 2 Medium. Next, I go in and apply a coral colour to my cheeks from the Pretty Fresh palette. There's a cream blush, really easy to apply and blend just using your fingers. Next, I go to my eyes. I've already applied a matte colour for a base colour, and now I'm going to go in using Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk Luxury Palette of Pops. I first apply the shade 4 in the palette all over my lid. Also apply this colour to my lower lash line. Try not to stab your eye like I just did. Add some highlight in my inner corners. I add shade 1. I decide to add a colour of pop over my lids, and so I take shade 3 and apply that. I next take the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand to highlight my cheekbones. Next, I'm going in with Pillow Talk lip liner and applying it all over my lips. Now I'm going in using the Nude Berry lip gloss and applying it all over my lips. This is a beautiful colour. It's got a peachy pink tone to it. Finish the look, I add some highlight to my Cupid's bow and a little bit on the end of my nose. This highlight is beautiful, really easy to blend. This is the finished look. Hi, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the button below and subscribe to my channel. I'd be really grateful. See you next time. Bye.